because you absolutely should be buying yourself Christmas gifts, okay? Hey y'all, it's Jaila, aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back / to my channel. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join all 18,000 of us over here. Okay, we lit, bringing you hair, beauty, and lifestyle content on this channel. So again, hit that subscribe button. We are in the season of giving. We are in the season of spending your money for other people, okay? And I don't know about y'all, but there is always gonna be a fragrance on my Christmas list. I love being gifted fragrances because they be expensive, okay? So if you're looking to either purchase some fragrances for yourself this holiday season or for other people, I got some really good options for you. If you're interested in any of that, let's go ahead and keep on watching, okay? So I don't know about y'all, but I recently got this little booklet from Sephora, this little book right here, and they sent this booklet, this fragrance booklet with some of their like most popular fragrances. So we're gonna go through this and see which ones of these will be really good for gifting. The first one is Gucci Flora Gorgeous Gardenia Eau de Parfum, and this is a fruity floral. I don't know about y'all, but I do love me a good fruity floral, so let's go ahead and smell her. This is a very pleasant smell, y'all. It is absolutely fruity floral, and of course there's a gardenia there, but it smells perfectly described as a fruity floral. Almost everyday scent, y'all. That gives me every day. So I say yes to Gucci Flora. If I was gifted Gucci Flora, I would say, oh my God, thank you so much. It smells so good. So yeah, that's a good one to get. The next one is by Maison Margiela, and this is Replica by the Fireplace. This is an eau de toilette, which means it has a slightly lower concentration of fragrance oils, a slightly higher concentration of alcohol. Let's go ahead and smell her. It's giving fireplace. It's giving burning wood. If I was gifted this fragrance, I would say thank you. I would not wear this. And that's just me. If you know that you are a sucker for like woody smells, for like that burnt, literally burnt wood moment, go ahead and try that one out. But yeah, not for me. Next page is the infamous Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium Eau de Parfum. This is supposed to be a warm and sweet gourmand. Spoiler alert, I already know that I like this, but let's go ahead and smell it anyways. I love this fragrance, which is really interesting because, fun fact, I absolutely detest the smell of coffee, and coffee is one of the 3 notes in this fragrance. I think the only notes are like coffee, vanilla, and like a white flower. I absolutely do not get coffee from this at all. I get a very, very pleasant smell. This is not my first sample of Black Opium. If you gave me this, I'd be like, oh, girl, you trying to get me a man or something, because this smells really, really, really good, y'all. This one gives me like, I would wear this on an occasion. Like, this could also very well be your everyday perfume, but the Gucci Flora gives me like very casual. This one doesn't give me casual. And I know that this one's a cult classic. Everybody has tried this one already, but I would wear it. If you gave it to me, I would wear that thing out, okay? So this one absolutely gets a yes from me. YSL Black Opium. The next perfume is Dior, Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet Eau de Toilette. She's getting fresh floral. Let's see about it. This smells like a very traditional perfume. So like when I think of like, ooh, a perfume sitting on like, I don't know, my grandma's counter or her dresser drawer, that's what this smells like. It's a little too traditional for me. It's a little too like elemental for me. It's a little too elemental for me. Very much in the garden, just me personally. And I would not wear this fragrance. If you gave that to me, I would let it sit on my counter because it's real cute. It got a little bow on it, but I would not wear that. Just me. But again, if you know the person that you're shopping for or yourself, you know you like really floral scents, then go right ahead, okay? Go ahead, sis. Next, let's go to Marc Jacobs fragrances. This is Daisy Eau de Toilette. This is a fruity floral. Again, I like fruity florals because you're not just giving me flowers. So let's go ahead and try this one. Again, another cult classic. This is cute. She's cute. I see why a lot of people like Daisy. This is a very good fragrance to gift because it's inoffensive. Like, it smells good, but it's not so like, I want to say it's not so opinionated, but obviously it's a fragrance, so it's not opinionated. A lot of people would like this. It caters to a lot of people. If you gave this to me, I would wear it. I would not wear it daily, but I would definitely get use out of this. and I will be thankful for a gift like this. So next, this is a fragrance that I have been wanting to smell for the longest, and I'm so glad I finally get to smell it. Like, shout out to the fragrance books. This is by Kilian Paris, Love Don't Be Shy Eau de Parfum. Y'all already know about Love Don't Be Shy. This is rumored to be Rihanna's scent prior to, of course, her coming out with Fenty Parfum. But it's a warm floral. That's like right up my alley, y'all. Warm florals are like my favorite category of scents. I'm expecting greatness from this scent. Let's go ahead and smell it. This fragrance, it smells like a scented marker. But my mom used to be a teacher, and she used to always buy the scented markers for her like whiteboards, like the ones that come in all the different colors, and like the black one smells like licorice, the purple one smells like grape. Do y'all know the markers that I'm talking about? Y'all know the markers I'm talking about? That's what this $240 fragrance smells like. It smells like a scented marker. I'm so pissed. My opinion, I would not gift this. I would not gift this because it can go a lot of ways. They could love it, they could hate it. It could smell like a scented marker. The next one is Atelier. I think that's how you say it. Cologne. This is Vanille Pure Perfume. This one is a warm and sweet gourmand. No, don't buy that for anybody. Okay, moving on. We have Viktor&Rolf Flowerbomb Eau de Parfum. This one is a warm and sweet gourmand. Oh, that's cute. That's real cute. Okay, I would add this one to the list of Flowerbomb, Viktor&Rolf. I think that would be a good like gift to give someone. I like that one. Next, we have Armani My Way Eau de Parfum. This one is a classic floral. I already know how I'm about to feel about this. If you know the person you're shopping for really likes floral scents, they would like this because it's not a bad smelling scent. It gives literal flower. And me personally, I don't want to just smell like a flower. I want some depth. But again, if the person likes florals, this one is a good one. Next up, we have a fragrance that I already know that I love, and this one's by Valentino. It's Donna and Roma Eau de Parfum. It's a warm floral, my favorite category of scents, and I actually already own the travel size one, which was only $30. Again, when I know that I am gonna like a fragrance, for example, it's a warm floral, I will just buy the travel size, so I'm not spending a lot of money, but I really get to try out the fragrance. And I absolutely love this one. I'm gonna smell it anyways. They didn't put a lot on here, so you can't really like smell it, but I know what this smells like and I know I love it. This will be a really beautiful gift, especially for someone that you like. You know, like you trying to say like, I like you, do you like me back? That's very cute because it's giving like, wear this on our first date. We're almost done, y'all. We have Versace Bright Crystal Eau de Toilette. This is a classic floral. Don't like it. No, I don't hate it, but I do not like it. We're not going to talk about it anymore. Like, if you're gonna go for a classic floral as a gift, I would get the Armani My Way before I got the Versace Bright Crystal. It does smell bright, whatever that means, but I don't like that type of brightness, okay? The last scent we have in here is the Dolce&Gabbana Light Blue Eau de Toilette. This one is a fresh citrus and fruit. The only one of its kind in this booklet, so let's see what it's smelling like. This scent is inoffensive, but I would not give it to anyone. It's like too inoffensive. Does that make any sense? Like, it's not giving anything. Go ahead, girl, give us nothing. It's what that one smells like. So we went ahead and went through this entire little booklet on the fragrance Sephora list. If you are giving someone something, I would go with Gucci Flora, Black Opium, Marc Jacobs Daisy, Viktor&Rolf Flowerbomb, and last but not least, Valentino. Donna and Roma. That's it. Here are some perfume gift ideas for those of you who may not necessarily want to buy somebody a full fragrance of a perfume you don't know if they're gonna like, okay? Because that has happened before. Alrighty, so the first tip I say is always go with the smallest size, and that's usually a travel size perfume. So for example, I got my Good Girl, literally my Good Girl. This is Good Girl by Carolina Herrera, and this is their travel size rollerball perfume. Travel size perfumes, especially on Sephora, they're usually run anywhere from like $25 to $30. Very affordable, and it's a really nice way to give someone something without like buying a whole bottle of something you don't know they're gonna love, right? So I always buy myself travel sizes before I purchase the full thing because nobody wants to be stuck with a whole ounce of something they don't like. Like, you don't want to do it. So I highly recommend getting these $25 to $30 travel size perfumes if you are not into the travel size. So let's say you want to give someone a fragrance, but you still want them to have the power to choose what they want. That's where discovery sets come in. And I recently purchased a discovery set that I think will be a perfect gift, especially if you gift it to them and say, hey, whichever one you like the best, I'll buy you the full size bottle of. I just recently purchased this Kayali discovery perfume set. It comes with all 8 of their fragrances. They just launched a new one, so I ain't got that one yet. But it came with all 8 of their previous fragrances, and you are able to smell every single one of their fragrances for $25. I felt like that was such a steal, especially because each one of these little vials have 35 sprays in it. So if I really wanted to, I could layer them. I could wear them alone. I could really play around with these scents and see what I like. Just so y'all know, I have played around with all of these scents, and my favorite are the Vanilla 28, the Musk 12, and Invite Only Amber. I think I featured Invite Only Amber in a different video, so I'll go ahead and link that one above. And this is another way of like giving someone the power to choose, but also keeping it affordable for your budget. So buy them a little discovery set, buy them a perfume sampler kit. Yeah, I again love this for me. Love the whole fragrance magazine moment. I'm here for it. I think we should bring it back. I think we should make it a regular occurrence again, because I absolutely love just sitting and smelling fragrances. Like, it's one of my favorite things to do. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also, like this video so YouTube can share with other people. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.